Boric materia medica agraphis nutans known as bluebell, a related condition of the system generally and a proneness to take cold on exposure to cold winds. Catarrhal conditions, obstruction of nostrils, adenoids, throat stiffness, enlarged tonsils, mucus diarrhea from cold, chill from cold winds, throat and ear troubles with tendency to free discharge from mucous membranes. Mutinism of childhood unconnected with deafness. Dose third potency, single doses of tincture. Next remedy is Ailanthus glandulosa, also known as Chinese sumac. This remedy shows by its peculiar skin symptoms its pronounced power of disorganizing the blood, causing conditions we meet with in low fevers, low types of eruptive diseases, diphtheria, follicular tonsillitis, streptococcus infection. Hemorrhagic diathesis. The skin appears livid or purplish, face dark as mahogany, hot, sawdust, throat swollen, purple, livid, semi-conscious, delirious, weak pulse, general topple and prostration. Symptoms remarkably alike to malignant scarlatina. Diarrhea, dysentery, and great weakness are very marked. Adenomia characterizes all its conditions: lividity, stupor, and malignancy. Mucous membranes hemorrhagic and ulcerative. Head general stupor with sighing, confused mind, mental depression, headache frontal with drowsiness, passive congestion headaches, suffused dilated eyes, photophobia, face dusky, thin, copious, ichorous, bloody nasal discharge, throat inflamed, edematous, dusky red, much swelling internal and external, dry, rough, scraping, choking, filling, neck tender and swollen, hoarse, croupy voice, tongue dry and brown, teeth covered with sawdust, pain in swallowing extends to the ears. Respiratory, hurried breathing, irregular, dry, hacking cough, lungs sore and tired, sleep, drowsy, restless, heavy, disturbed, unrefreshing, skin, miliary livid rash returns annually, large blisters filled with dark serum, irregular, patchy, livid eruption, disappearing on pressure, cold, Raynaud's disease. Relationship antidotes Rustox Nux vomica. Compare ammonium carb, Baptisia arnica, muriatic acid, lachesis. Dose first to sixth potency. Next remedy is Aletris farinosa, stargrass. An anemic relaxed condition, especially of the female organism, is portrayed by this remedy. The patient is tired all the time and suffers from prolapsus, leukorrhea, rectal distress, marked anemia, chlorotic girls and pregnant women. Mind, power and energy weakened, confused feelings, cannot concentrate mind, fainting with vertigo. Mouth, much frothy saliva. Stomach, disgust for food, least food causes distress, fainting spells with vertigo. Vomiting during pregnancy, nervous dyspepsia, flatulent colic. Rectum, loads up with feces, paretic condition, stool large, hard, difficult, great pain. Female, premature and profuse menses with labor like pains, retarded and scanty flow, uterus seems heavy, prolapse with pain in right inguinal region. Leukorrhea due to weakness and anemia, habitual tendency to abortion. Muscular pains during pregnancy. Compare Hydrastis, Tanaset, China, dose, tincture to third potency.